Tyler Dawson. He's a great guitar player. Now go!
Woo!
Oh, bug fly.
Like I remember you. I can hear the water crashing against the rocks, and the wind through the redwoods. The force never stops. Truth is unconcerned with me. The ticking of the clock is just a speck in an endless sea, floating on top. There's much more to life. Needs some more light, like the sands of the desert. The rays that touch the sky, and the mountains that linger after you and I die. Truly no freedom, never have to fight. Yeah, the mountains that linger. Hard times on the coastline. Will you remember me like I remember you? Hard times on the coastline. Will you remember me like I remember you?
Woo!
Thank you. Thanks.
Thanks.